guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'm sharing with you all of my recent finds from J.Crew and J.Crew Factory. This is all stuff that I love, that's very versatile leading into fall, and I wanted to share them with you because what I love so much about ordering from J.Crew and J.Crew Factory is I always know that I'm going to get good quality and I know what to expect on the sizing. So yeah, enjoy these finds. Okay, so first up I wanted to share with you this green corduroy skirt. I have been wearing it so much I feel like I almost need it in another color. It has a zipper closure on the back, no pockets or anything, which I actually kind of like because sometimes with a skirt with pockets you get unwanted extra emphasis on the hips, which I do not need. So this is a great, just nice corduroy skirt. It'd be perfect for work, for just hanging out with the girls, going shopping, whatever. It's very versatile. I love it so much. I have worn it with a graphic tee just about every day since I've had it. So I need to probably give it a rest and or buy a few more colors. But I wanted to show you guys how I have it styled currently just with this graphic tee and some booties. And I could also add a blouse for work and heels. Okay, so here is another way that you could style this skirt with this beautiful snakeskin blouse. I wanted to share this blouse with you guys because I also think it's a very versatile fall staple piece. It's snakeskin, which is very trendy. It's very lightweight, so it'd be perfect for layering under a vest or even a blazer if you're wanting to dress it up for work. I have also worn it with shorts and heels just as a fun date night outfit. What I love so much about it is that it's a button up, but it's a raglan style and it doesn't button all the way to the top, so you still get this really cute neckline detail. And also the sleeves have elastic around the cuffs, so I can easily just pull the sleeves up. Okay, here is the snakeskin blouse again, but paired this time with these black paper bag shorts. What I love so much about these shorts is that they're actually made out of a seersucker material, so they're perfect for the warmer summer evenings that we're having. They're a great date night option because they're breathable, but they'll go well into fall too, just because they're black and you can pair with a blouse like this or a cuter little tank top or however you wanted to style these shorts. They are true to size. I had been skeptical for so long about paper bag waist because I was afraid it was going to just accentuate the mom pooch and the hips and all of that, but honestly, I think it does the opposite. I think it kind of draws everything in right where it needs to be, and the bow on the front is just so cute. So, okay, now for a little more casual look, I have these adorable button fly ivory shorts. They have a raw hem detail, but they are folded up. So with the raw hem, they also don't just like look super distressed because the hem is rolled up. So it looks nice and clean around the bottom. So you could even dress these shorts up a little bit if you wanted to. And then this crew neck sweatshirt I really like. It'll be perfect with jeans. You can just put it on. You can still look put together in a sweatshirt. It also comes in pink and I think navy and maybe one or two other colors. But I just love this one. I think it's going to be a great fall transition piece paired with these shorts or with denim or with leggings or however you want to wear it. So. Okay, another sweatshirt find. Clearly I am a fan of these crew neck sweatshirts from J.Crew. I really like though that this one has the graphic detail. You can see it says Le Weekend, which just makes it fancy because it's French. So I have this paired with their, I think it's their 10-inch high-rise denim. I would have to look on the details just to clarify, but they are high-rise. It's a regular button and zipper fly, and they are skinny all the way to the bottom. I have them cuffed, paired with some snakeskin mules. I love this outfit. It's gonna be my fall go-to. Okay, so last but not least is this best-selling rain jacket. I have had my eye on this thing for over a year now. It finally went on sale through J.Crew Factory. It usually retails for over $100, but I think I got it for like $55 or $60. What I love is that it's got these nice big pockets in the front. It also zips and buttons, and it has a hood. It's a good weight great for a rain jacket. It's not going to be too hot, so even in these early fall days when it starts raining, I can put this on and not feel like I'm going to sweat to death. I also love this cinched waist detail. If I close it, you can see the waist cinches. It's got these little drawstrings in here, so you can also loosen it up if you don't like the waist cinched. So anyway, love this jacket. I'm really glad I got my hands on it on sale through J.Crew Factory, so I will also link this one. Okay, so that is all for my J.Crew Factory try on this time. If you liked it, make sure that you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe so that you can see more try on videos when I release them. You can also hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notifications when I put out new videos. And if you're on Instagram, you can head to my page and like the photos that I post, and that would mean the world to me. Share them with your friends. Also, don't forget to go visit my blog, The High Cotton Style Guide, where I'm sharing everything that I share on Instagram and YouTube and writing about it. So thanks so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.